guys, welcome back to Sanele F channel, guys. To all my subscribers, guys, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. We are starting this year 2020 with a high note, a new reality show of Mpisane and her family. Yeah guys, if you are looking forward to it, click the like button. Sbahle announced the good news on her Instagram page and she received the positive feedback. The reality show KwaMamkhize will air on the 9th of January 2020, and we are excited to see the dynamic between all of Sbahle family members. Initially, the title of the show was Mpisane, but due to the divorce between Sbahle and Mpisane's parents, the title will be KwaMamkhize. So KwaMamkhize, guys, I think it's Bongo Sbahle, but again, I'm not sure Uguti the father will form part of the reality show because ngibone ama pictures ka Sbahle umawakhe and the brother. Guys, the big question, will this get Black Twitter excited? Leave your comment below, guys, and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.